Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
It's right over there, next to the security gate.
Thank you. Also, what time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 6:30. Please be at gate 12.
Perfect. I'll go now. Thanks for your help. Hello, can I try this shirt?
Of course, the fitting room is on the left.
Thank you. Do you have this in a bigger size?
Yes, here is a large size.
Perfect. I'll take it. How much is it?
It's $25.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Good morning. I'm new here.
Welcome. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
I'm Sarah. I'll show you around the office.
Thank you. That's very kind.
No problem. Let's start with the meeting room. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, Anna. What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad headache.
How long have you had it?
For 3 days.
Do you have any other symptoms like fever or cough?
No, only the headache.
All right. I'll give you some medicine. Take it twice a day after meals.
Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice. Hello. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I'd like some chicken and rice.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Do you have dessert?
Yes, we have chocolate cake and ice cream.
Great. I'll have a slice of chocolate cake.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only about 10 minutes on foot.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Hello, can I have 1 kg of apples, please?
Of course. Red or green apples?
Red, please. They look fresh.
Here you go. Anything else?
Yes, 1 kg of bananas and some bread.
No problem. That will be $3 in total.
Okay, here's the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, are you free?
Yes, sir. Where would you like to go?
Please take me to the city mall.
Sure. Do you want the fastest way or the cheaper way?
The faster way, please. I'm in a hurry.
No problem. Please fasten your seatbelt.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes if traffic is clear.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Good morning. I'd like to open a new account, please. Certainly. Do you want a savings account or a current account? A savings account, please. Okay. May I see your ID and proof of address? Yes, here they are. Thank you. Please fill out this form. All right, I'll do that now. How long will it take to open the account? Only a few minutes. After that, you will get your account number and card. That's great. Thank you for your help. My pleasure. Have a nice day.
Hello, I'd like to send this package to New York.
Certainly. Is it urgent?
Yes, please send it by express delivery.
Okay. May I see what's inside?
Just clothes and books, nothing fragile.
Perfect. Please fill out this label with the address.
Here you go. How much will it cost?
$20. It will arrive in 3 days.
That's fine. Here's the payment.
Thank you. Your package is on the way.
Excuse me, where can I find English books?
They are on the second floor next to the computer section.
Thank you. Can I borrow this book today?
Yes. Do you have a library card?
Not yet. How can I get one?
Just fill out this form and I'll make a card for you.
Great. Here's my ID.
Perfect. Your card will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, where's the milk section?
It's in aisle 5, near the bread.
Thank you. Do you also sell eggs?
Yes, they're right next to the milk.
Perfect. How much are they today?
$2 for a dozen.
That's good. I'll take 1 dozen and some milk.
No problem. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thanks.
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please? Sure. Small, medium, or large? Medium, please. And can you make it with almond milk? Of course. Anything else? Yes, a chocolate muffin. Great choice. For here or to go? To go, please. Okay, That will be $5.
Here's the money. Thank you.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Alex Brown.
Thank you. I see you're booking for 3 nights. Would you like a single room or a double room?
A single room is fine.
Okay. Breakfast is included. Here is your room key.
Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant.
Perfect. Thanks for the information.
Hello, I need something for a cold.
Do you have a cough or just a runny nose?
Mostly a cough and a little sore throat.
Okay. I recommend this syrup. Take 2 spoons a day.
Can I also take painkillers with it?
Yes, but only after meals.
All right. How much is it?
$8.
Here's the money. Thank you for your help.
Hi. I'd like 2 tickets for tonight's movie, please.
Sure. Which movie would you like to see?
The new action movie at 7:30.
All right. Do you prefer the front, middle, or back seats?
Middle, please.
Perfect. That will be $12.
Here's the money. Do you also sell popcorn?
Yes, the snack counter is on the right.
Thank you very much.
What a beautiful day.
Yes, the weather is perfect for a walk.
Do you often come to this park?
Yes, almost every weekend. I like jogging here.
That's nice. I usually come to read my book.
Reading in the park sounds relaxing.
It is. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
Lucky you. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. Please have your ticket ready.
I don't have a ticket yet. Can I buy one here?
Yes, you can buy it from me. It's $2.
Here you go. How long does the trip take?
Around 20 minutes if there's no traffic.
Thank you. Is the next stop the shopping mall?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Good morning, everyone. Please take your seats.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we will practice English conversations.
Teacher, can I ask a question?
Of course, Emma. Go ahead.
How do we use have to in a sentence?
Good question. For example, I have to do my homework.
Oh, so it means something is necessary.
Exactly, John. Well done.
Hi, is this your first time at the gym?
Yes, welcome. I'm Mark, the trainer here.
Nice to meet you. I'd like to get stronger and healthier.
Great. Do you want me to make a workout plan for you?
Yes, please. I'm not sure where to start.
No problem. We'll begin with some light exercises and cardio.
That sounds good. How many times a week should I come?
3 to 4 times is perfect for beginners.
Thank you, Mark. I feel motivated already.
Wow, the sea looks beautiful today.
Yes, the water is so blue. Do you want to swim?
Sure, but let's put on sunscreen first.
Good idea. It's very sunny.
Do you like playing beach volleyball?
Yes, I love it. Let's join that group over there.
Perfect. After that, we can relax with ice cream.
Sounds like the best beach day ever. Good evening. How can I help you?
Hello, I lost my bag on the bus today.
I see. Can you describe the bag?
Yes, it's black with a red zipper. Inside were my ID and wallet.
Did you also lose your phone?
No, I still have my phone.
Okay. Please fill out this lost property form.
All right. Will you call me if the bag is found?
Yes, we will contact you immediately.
Thank you so much. Great job, everyone. You have just practiced 20 to 24 real-life English conversations. From the airport to the restaurant, from the doctor's office to the coffee shop, you now know how to speak in many everyday situations. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Practice these dialogues with a friend, repeat them out loud, and try to use them in your daily life. If you enjoyed these conversations and want to learn more, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now, and happy learning!